Check this out. It was a pain in the ass to get here. Took a little fall down a hill, crawled under some bushes, ran into a bear. Well, actually, I didn't run into a bear, but I'm here. Found this cool little spot. Never been here before. So one of my favorite things to do is bushwhack to get to a spot that no one else has been to yet. Or maybe, I mean, it's the Sierras. Everyone's been pretty much everywhere here. But to come to a spot where I haven't really seen any photos or images, you know, it's nice. We're gonna see what we can do, work around, maybe grab a tight shot of this small little fall right here, and then probably do a wider shot to get the entire set of falls, both of them. So let's go ahead and get to work. Let's concentrate on this small one. You know, I thought I wanted to go low, but I think I'm gonna come up a little bit higher and get a little more of the white water at the base of the fall. Yeah, I like that much better. Get a nice composition. It's really straightforward. I'm gonna take one shot right here, and then I'm actually gonna move over here because I wanna get a little more of a line coming into the image. We're just gonna shoot it F16, 1 1/3 seconds. Yeah, we're definitely, we wanna move over to the side here. Yeah. Yeah. This feels nicer. I actually might end up going with the vertical on this. Or square. Yeah. You know, to be honest, I don't want the water blurred that much. Yeah, see, it's starting to get a little more definition in it. So let's go up to 320. And 2/5 of a second. I like that, actually. Let's go a little closer.